Make a great choice today with the 2011 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, CD changer, backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.